video and article titled Student Attitudes Toward Writing and the Development of Academic Writing Skills, written by Bojana Patrick and published in the Writing Center Journal in 2002. This article discusses how student attitude toward writing affect the development of their academic writing skill, especially among non-native English students studying at the international universities. Patrick began by explaining that in learner-centered education, student attitude perception about writing play a very important role. My students, especially from Eastern Europe and Central Asia, come from education system without a strong tradition of teaching writing explicitly. So when they study at Central Urban University in Dubai and English medium institute, it becomes their first real experience of academic writing instrument. The main goal of this race was to explore how non-native graduate student attitudes, belief, and experience toward writing in English are formed and developed through their academic journey. The study used structured interview with a student from different national and linguistic background. Each the participant was given a broad or state about writing strategies and attitude, and they responded early during interview, listing 2005. This interview were recommended and transcribed with providing risk quality and the how student prefers and respond to writing in English. Patrick identified 5 key themes that describe how student attitude toward writing develop. One, the formative nature of writing instruction. From many student writing class were their first formal exposure to writing instruction. At first, some recite new strategies like outlining or journaling. However, over time, they began to appreciate their usefulness, showing how attitude can change to prepare positive experience. 2. Attitude and the process of change. Student attitude are not visited. One positive experience, such as successful collaboration or feedback, can force their mindset and make them more open to new tech techniques. 3. Class between attitude and behavior. Something students value short-time writing strategies but don't use it often due to time pressure, or lack of confidence. This shows that positive attitude don't always translate into working before, which is consistent with psychology psychological theories of planet before. For the individual nature of attitude, students respond differently to writing challenges. Some see difficulties as a fun challenge, with others feel frustrated. These differences are influenced by factors such as efficacy, cultural background, and prior writing experience. 5. Talking about attitude. Interestingly, students enjoyed discussing their writing attitude and experience. This reflective process helped them become more self-aware and improved their understanding of how they read and learn. From defending, Petrie emphasized that writing instruction should not only focus on the technical skill but also on student emotional and attitudinal aspect. She recommended that working teachers create positive and reflective working experience. Science attitude change usually uh, follow before change, and encourage open discussion and reflection on writing the difficulties and belief. Understand student culture and educational background to adapt teaching method effectively. At Language Teaching Center, this approach is applied to writing course, workshop, and one-on-one tutorials. Students are encouraged to reflect on their writing process, discuss strategy, and evaluate what worked best for them. This helps them only develop technical skill but also build confidence and self-awareness as writers. In conclusion, Patrick's article showed that student attitude toward writing are a crucial part of developing academic writing skills. Attitude are shaped through experience, and positive writing experience can lead to growth and confidence. Therefore, an effective writing pedagogy must address both cognitive and affective factors, allowing students to reflect, experiment, and develop their own personal theories of writing. The study asks that learning to write academically is not just about mastering structure or grammar, it's also about developing motivation, confidence, and positive attitudes toward writing itself. That's all for review of Bojana Patrick article, Student Attitude Toward Writing and the Development of Academic Writing Skill. This paper is very relevant for teacher, writing tutor, and students who want to better understand how emotion and beliefs shape the process of academic writing. Thank you for watching, and uh, and I hope this review help you gain deeper in stay into the information of student attitude in writing development.